Hi guys, my name's Xavier. This my dad's lobsters. They're so cute.
Bought it. Pakita mo. Look mo. Yan.
Dad, can we keep one and keep it in the fish tank? Actually,
Yeah, sure. Okay.
yes.
We have a fish tank. Ayun o.
Oh yay! We have now a pet lobster.
All over there is alive.
Lobsters are very expensive. How did you buy this much?
Yan o. Oh. Look. They're all alive. See?
Mm.
See?
Can I touch one?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, good.
Yan o. See? Look.
Ang liit nila. Well, they are pretty large. They're about the same size as Pachuch. Are they still alive?
Yeah.
Ah,
Yan o.
na-drop siya. Oh, kawawa naman. You just need to wash them.
Yeah.
Okay, but remember to keep one as a pet, okay?
Yeah. This one. The ginormous one.
Apa, keep that one.
The ginormous one. Look. You know. Oh, ay, ipit yan. Pakita mo sa video mo. Showing the video.
Okay.
Ginormous. And they put rubber band in claw so that they can't
Pinch.
yeah. See?
Oh,
Look at the arm.
Oh.
Can you do me a favor?
I like how they look.
Take my photo.
Aki pa. I put my tablet here. Watching soda.
Tapos na yan. Close mo na para hindi umaba yung video.
Aki pa.